enthusiasts. Welcome to another edition of Limpiar's 1-Minute Cleaning Tips. Today, I've got some game-changing tips to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Let's jump right in. When vacuuming, start at the farthest corner of the room and work your way towards the exit. This ensures you don't walk on freshly cleaned areas. Revive your pillows by tossing them in the dryer with a couple of tennis balls. It fluffs them up and removes any lingering odors. Tip 3. Lemon Fresh Microwave. For a fresh-smelling microwave a bowl of water with lemon slices for a few minutes. Wipe away the condensation and voila, a lemon fresh appliance. Tip 4. Baseboard Magic. Dust and clean your baseboards with a fabric softener sheet. It not only removes dust, but also leaves a fresh scent behind. There you have it, folks, a few more tips to add to your cleaning arsenal. If you enjoyed these hacks, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy cleaning!